Great. This is going to show you really quickly how to make a Google Drive folder if you didn't know. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Google Drive. So you can, if you don't know how, you can go to your email and then click on this little Google Apps grid right up here. And then from there you just click on Drive and it'll take you to your Google Drive. Once you're in your Drive, you're going to simply create a folder. Over here on the left hand side, you're going to click on New and then you're going to choose folder. When you're going to do that, you're going to call it you can just call it Google Tools, and then you're going to create that folder. Once you have created that folder, you need to then share it with me so that I can see all your lovely work. To do that, on the right hand side here, you're going to find this little plus with a person symbol. This is share. So you're going to click on the share and you're going to type in my name. Once you do that, it should pop up. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on the send button. Once you do that, your folder should change slightly. Instead of just being a grayed out folder, it'll have like this little profile of a little person on it, which shows that it is shared, and then that will notify me that you've shared that folder with me. So that's how you're going to create your Google Tools folder in your Google Drive account.